I got granola. It's supposed to be almond granola, but where's the almonds? Anyways, oh, I guess I forgot to get the fork. And I'm not gonna go get. I'm not gonna go get it again. Ah, crap. Let me turn this light on though. I know I look terrible. But that's hence why it's called Rinda in the Raw. Take it as it is or leave it. Sorry, I don't have the money to buy all those luxury makeup and products that protect the skin and all this crap. I try to make organic stuff, and that's the best I can do. Ugh. What am I doing? What am I doing? La la la. Mm. Mmm. Dang it, I forget what kind this one is. One of them was a little less expensive. I think this is the Gala, but I'm not positive. I'd have to check my receipt. Ugh. I'm just gonna dip my apple. I don't even know what I'm watching. Oh, I think this is famous reviews, food reviews. I like him. He's kind of cute too. He's so corny.